You want to have success with your Amazon business, you need to get serious about your product research. For you to have success with your Amazon business, you need to have a good product. You need to have a product that sells. It should not be a product that you think will sell. It should be the product that will actually sell. Product research is one of the most important things when it comes to your Amazon business, and I've said this so many times. Helium 10 is hands down one of the best tools to use for your product research. In today's video, we are doing an in-depth product research tutorial with Helium 10 for beginners. Let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Oren and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. So we are logged into our Helium 10 dashboard. Now, if you haven't signed up with Helium 10 yet, I have a discount code for you guys in my description box below. You guys can use that if you need. You can definitely check out the demo version, but I highly suggest the platinum one, which is what I personally use. The demo version is basically for you to see how the dashboard is, how things work inside, but it doesn't have all the features. So to be able to fully use it properly, you'll be needing one of the packages, and the discount code for that for you guys is in my description box below. You can use it if you need. Now, this is the home page of the dashboard, and when you move over to the tools tab, this is what you will be seeing. It may look a little overwhelming if you are seeing this for the first time. These are just different kind of tools for different kind of product research. I have other specific videos on specific tools in my channel. You can watch them later if you need. But for now, we're going to be using the black box, which is under the product research. Helium 10 is specifically designed for Amazon product research. When it opens up, it will open up in the products tab, but we're going to move over to keywords. Let's click on keywords. So from here, you'll be able to filter out different filters. It's kind of like reverse engineering. At least that's what I like to think, and it'll make sense in a minute. So the first one is search volume. Now, of course, we need our customers to be looking for this product. It needs to have some sort of demand. So I'm going with 3,000. We need to have at least 3,000 people searching for this product. Now, next one is the monthly revenue. This one, you could go from somewhere between 5,000 to 8,000. I'm just going to do 8,000. Next is the price. Now, this depends on you of what kind of budget you have and how expensive of products you're willing to sell. For this one, we're going to do minimum 30 and maximum $180. Next is the review count. Now, this is very important. Amazon customers are always looking at reviews before they buy a product. And if your competitor has more than 10,000 reviews, then that's not going to work in your favor. So we're doing max 300. Now, for review rating, I'm going with 4. Now, the reason why I'm going with a bad review rating is because we want to find products with bad reviews. Basically, product with bad reviews, but they're selling. It'll all make sense in a minute, but now we are checking our categories. Let's just stay away from gated categories, but we're going to go ahead with home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, and then we are also going to do office products, patio, lawn and garden, and let's also do sports and outdoors. I think that is good enough for this product research, and now we are going to go and hit search. We are trying to find something that our customers are specifically looking for, and we are trying to find something which is not serving the customer and may have bad reviews, and basically we are trying to take it and come up with a better product. Now, this search has just pulled up 57 phrases for us. Let's go through them. All right, so the first one is Christmas swags with lights. I have no idea what it is, but they are actually crushing it. They're doing really well, but I actually want to check this because they're doing pretty great, even though the review is 3.9, which is what we are actually looking for. Also, it's the month of December, so we will be seeing a lot of Christmas related things and decors that will pop up in the list because it is the season. So the next one is also Christmas related, some kind of garage decor, then a teardrop Christmas wreath. Okay, these are just some wreaths and they're crushing it. They're selling them for $30, but the reviews are not that great. Then next one is just like a straight up Christmas tree. This will be large and bulky, so I do not recommend it. Let's try to look for something which is non-Christmas related. Bread proofing box. Okay, I have no clue what this is, but I definitely want to check this out because they're clearly doing very good with sales. They're selling it, but their rating is not good. Let's have a quick look at what else is here. Tulip bulbs for fall planting, Ledger Flex. All right, this also has very poor reviews, but they're doing pretty great in sales. But let's go ahead and open up the ones that we like. So we're going to come on here and click on view on Amazon, and this will open up on Amazon through Helium 10. Okay, so this is the product. It is some kind of decor that mostly maybe goes on top of your mailbox. I think you can hang them up straight, and it also comes with lights, I believe. But the thing is, not a lot of people are selling it yet, and the reviews are just perfect. They are all below 100. Okay, let's check one of them. For example, this one has 49 reviews, 50 plus bought past month, and then this one has, it's similar, but it actually sold 400 plus last month, and it has 105 reviews. The one thing I'm seeing is that review counts may be low, but the ratings are also very bad. The ratings aren't good in any of them, and we're gonna open up one of them and see what the issue is. You can see all of the Helium 10 data under here, and the idea here is that to take one of these products that is selling pretty well, and then to go inside, investigate that why the reviews are bad and what the seller is not providing to the customer, and then fix that and provide that with your product for your customers. We are inside of this listing, and we're gonna go straight down to the reviews to check what the problems are. So customers say customer have negative opinions about the light level and the battery life of the garland. They're also saying that the lights are not pre-lit, which is a big problem because they have to fix it all by themselves. This is more of like an AI generated one, taking all the reviews into account. But now we're gonna go through the reviews. Do not buy this. First of all, you need to wrap the lights, not good quality, and on top of it they charge you to return it. That is not only a bad product but bad customer service. All right, the next one I just translated. It says just what I needed for my Christmas. This may be posted by them or one of their friends, because to me it looks like all the other reviews are bad. This one says trash, do not buy. This is not pre-lit. It comes with a separate stand to wrap yourself or wrap by yourself. If you want pre-lit, buy an actual pre-lit. This is a DIY project that is going in the garbage where it belongs. So this is a very angry review. The next one also says that the size is not the same as what is shown in the pictures, and then this one says that it is not pre-lit. So most of them have a problem that it is not pre-lit and it's shown as pre-lit, but you have to do a lot of work to wrap it yourself. And so this is what we are looking for. We want to see what the customers are complaining about, and we want to source a product and then fill in the gap that is missing. The other ones also say that it was delayed in shipping and it looks very cheap. So this is also something to note, that if you're going to sell a cheap product, you will 100% get a bad review. So make sure to keep that in mind when you're sourcing your product. And more problems such as the battery compartment is not working and things like that. So you want to make a list of all of these problems and then start to source the same product. It is very low in competition. It's such a lightweight product, so for shipping and storage you won't have to pay much, and if you can do proper keyword research and listing, you're gonna be crushing it with this product. Now I would also like to mention that this is a Christmas season product and there will be sales throughout the year but not as many, so just be mindful of this and plan accordingly. But it is great to sell during the Christmas time. This definitely has a lot of potential if you list it properly with good pictures, and you can see how much they're doing in sales. Let's go ahead and try to look for something that is non-seasonal or non-Christmas related. Okay, we have something here called bread proofing box. No idea what this is, but looks like they're doing pretty well. They're crushing it and the ratings aren't that great. So let's head to Amazon and see what this is about. All right, so this looks like baking related, some kind of a box, I believe. So here are the main products. I'm still not sure what this actually does, but it's showing that they've sold 400 plus past month, and then even this seller, the same, they're selling it for $56. The number of reviews for us is great here because it's all below 100. It's in fact much lower. I think these are something else, but if we just go back up, this is the product. Let's go inside this listing and check what this product is actually about. All right, so we are inside the listing and looks like this is a dough warmer kind of something. So with baking a dough, dough, you need to sometimes put your dough away after you have kneaded it. Sometimes you need to cover it with a damp cloth and then put it away so that it can rise. I believe it's for that because we can see the before and after pictures where the dough has risen. It also comes with a temperature and timer controller, and they're selling it as a gift accessory kit. Looks pretty great actually. It's something I see a lot of people would buy. They have a video as well. Let's check it. So of course they're showing that you need to assemble it. I like the demonstration video. It's pretty great. And so basically you just put the dough in there, close it, and then basically you put the temperature accordingly and then let it rise. Looks pretty great. Let's go and see what the problems are with the product. Listing so far looks great actually, but let's see what the customers are saying. So someone's saying that they only have gotten the warmer and not the basket, meaning basically they're saying it looks like a cheap scraper, not a basket. Someone wrote perfect for pizza dough. Okay, someone's happy. Another review says great concept, poor execution. So here basically they're saying that they used it for the first few minutes, it worked fine, but then it stopped working. There were some troubleshootings. They tried fixing it, but it did not really work. So in my opinion, this is a great product, and if you can actually provide the customers a good solid product which actually works, then this could actually generate a lot of sales and a lot of profits because people are actually looking for this kind of product. This is the reason I love Helium 10 so much, because it lets you explore so many products that we would never come across, products that we don't know of, and this is such a great tool to use for your product research. You need to keep tweaking your searches, and the more you search, the more you will get better at it. Convertible pillow chair. Okay, so first thing that I see here is large bulky. Now this is a tip, and you want to make sure that you stay away from large bulky products because you don't want to pay those extra charges for shipping. Now these are some tulip bulbs. Let's check them out. What are these actually? Are they bulbs? Okay, they are actually literally like real flower bulbs that you actually plant and flower grows from it. Now this is another great example of a product that you should stay away from. This may look like a great product to sell because the competition is very low. Not a lot of people are selling, and they are selling a lot of products per month. Most of them are saying that they have sold 200 plus in the past month, but this is why you should not sell this. So if you go in the pictures, you see these are actual bulbs that you have to plant, and so if they go bad, they go rotten, then this is a big hassle. The product quality will not be in your control, neither can Amazon take care of it, and you may have very, very unhappy customers. And the reviews are also saying that it was trash worthy or just a waste of their money. Let's see if we can see anything else. Okay, this is a magnetic wall decal. What is this? They're making a lot of sales. Let's open this up. So it looks like it's some kind of a magnetic wall chalkboard. I think I have owned this kind of thing in the past. You can use these either for your kids' room or even for office. So this one's saying 100 plus bought in the past month, and the review is only 66. Most of the reviews are around the same numbers and not competitive at all. So this could be a great product. Let's go inside and see what the problem is. So this is basically the product. It sticks to the wall, and then you can write a bunch of things on it. So it can be used for office or your kids' room. So for office, of course, you're going to source not a pink one, you're going to source a plain white one. The listing honestly looks great. It has all the instructions and everything. They have done A+ content, and it looks great. Now when we come to the reviews, most of the people are, I think, complaining about that it is not very sticky. So someone said great magnet, not very sticky. So it basically is not sticking to the wall, which is one of the most important things. So someone here said keeps falling down. I wanted to love this. I cannot get it to stay on the wall no matter what I do. The adhesive is not strong enough. So this is what it is. It looks like the main problem is that it's not very sticky. And someone also said that the ink doesn't easily come off after you write on it. So this is a great product with low competition, which people are looking for. A lot of people could use it for their kids' room, for their office. And if you can come with a product which will actually work and it will stick to the wall, it will hold up on the wall, and that it doesn't have any problem with the ink, and they can wipe easily and smoothly write on it, then you can absolutely crush crush it with just a simple product like this. Helium 10 really makes it so easy to look for products like this, but you also at the same time have to be patient because you need to tweak these searches and keep looking until you find your perfect product. I have the discount code for you guys in my description box below. You guys can use that if you need. They give you so much insights, they give you so much data, and this truly is the best product research tool. But you have to take your time and be patient and go through pages on pages to find your product. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.